Hello everyone and welcome back to ENR 153 car project tutorial videos. Today's video will be short. It's just we're building the piano wire, which is what links the servo motor to the steering rod. We will be utilizing the sweep command. So basically we'll build a sketch, a path, and a sketch, and we're going to sweep both this sketch and the path to create a 3D model. So let's jump right in. So let's go to SolidWorks. I'm gonna hit File, New, start a part file. So it's in inches. I'm just gonna go ahead and edit my document units like we've done in the past to 3 decimal points. And for the material, the drawing doesn't specify, but the closest material to it, it's the 304 ASI 304 steel. Hit apply. So before we start, let me just go ahead and save that file. Save as so car project car part 3. I have a piano wire folder. Hit save. And let's start our sketch. So I'm gonna start a sketch on my top plane. Hit sketch. So I'm gonna just I'll try to create the path first. So I'm gonna I'll make it simple at first, and then I'll add. So I'll just create a sketch that looks like it, and I'll start dimensioning that. So I know my overall line length is 1.881. So let's dimension that. And I know from this point, that line, that distance is 0.27. And I know this point to that point, the overall, is 0.539. Perfect. Now my sketch is fully defined. So what I'll do is I'm just gonna go ahead and add the sketch fillets right now. So I know I have a radius of 50 thou, 0.050. I'm gonna add one here. I'm gonna add another one here. So I have my 50 thou, 2 fillets around this point and that point. So let's just do this. Let me do a side by side to compare the sketch. So I have my 0.539 point to point. I have the 0.270 dimension. I also have the overall length of 1.881. And then we are utilizing the 2 sketch fillets. So there is one here, 50 thou, another one here. Let's maximize that window. So now I'm done with my path sketch. So let me exit out of that. So I have my front plane, which is, that's why I started the origin here and I went backwards. So when I start to draw my other sketch, I can just utilize the front plane. And instead of creating a plane, moving that, offsetting that plane. So I can just start a sketch on my front plane. Right click on that, let's go normal to. Perfect. My origin, so I can just add a coincident sketch to that. So I'm going to go add a circle. Switch, click on Smart Dimension. Let's fully define the sketch. So I know it's 55 thou diameter, 0.055. Click OK. Now my sketch is fully defined. So I don't have to define the position since it's coincident to the center or the origin. So it's fully defined. I just need to specify the diameter or size of that whole of the circle. Click close dialog, and I'm done with my sketch. So I have my path and my circle. So let's go to features. There's a swept boss base. Let's click on that. So I mean, it says sweeps the closed profile along an open or closed path to create a solid feature. That's what we want. So we want to specify the profile. So that's basically what drives what's going to be extruded along that path. So it's our circle. And then this is our path. So we select our path. And the full preview shows us what our piano wire will look like. Click OK. And we are done with this part. Let's go to isometric view. So if you hold down the Control key and press the 7, press 7, Control 7 is isometric view. Let's go ahead and save that. All set.